Hey, today we're gonna live trade. We're gonna live trade two stocks. One is JSPR, which was a runner of over 300%. The other one is ATNF, which is also up over 300% over the past few days. These stocks are parabolic, they moved quickly, and a lot of people want to know how to trade them. Do you want to know how to trade parabolic stocks? Stocks like ATNF, stocks like JSPR, stocks like KALA, which ran today almost 50%. This video was going to show you from start to finish how to place a successful trade when trading these parabolic stocks. It's going to help you make more money and get closer to financial freedom. My name is John Koda. I've been day trading for over 10 years and I run a live trading classroom where I teach traders just like you how to trade professionally in the stock market. So enjoy this video. It's going to show you a lot of good stuff, and be sure to join our free Discord community in the description. And it's kind of dipping into the buy zone. Okay, go ahead and take 25% position on JSPR. Try to get from $2.30 to $2.40 for it. Okay, 25% of position. Only buy 25% of your position because this thing can come down to about 216, but it could also just start running right away. So 25% of position on JSPR. We don't know if it's going to break the open. There's strong resistance there. And that's not really the kind of win that we want. In terms of JSPR, we want something bigger than that, but we want to stay aware. Okay, yeah, so go ahead and sell some of JSPR. Just a little bit, like maybe 10-20% of your position, but sell some shares. Just because of the reaction at 250 has been going on for a little bit too long. Don't know whether it's going to be able to break above that. And plus, we got a really good entry here at $2.36. So we essentially want to make sure that we're averaged out enough to where we'll be able to capitalize on protecting our win and our profits. But yeah, at 250, we got a strong pullback. And now we're getting a retest of 240, 230. Okay, good. So it's coming back up. It's coming back up to about 250. So there was some millionaire that was buying shares right here at 235, right? Trying to get a better price for their position. And that's what caused the price to come back up here. So that's good. So we're getting another rally here. Should break 250 this time. If it doesn't break 250 again, I'm going to recommend we sell even more. Like we're at least 50% out. Okay, we need to watch and wait. Maybe actually this is a chance to buy more. Okay, go ahead and buy another 25% of your position here. Go ahead and buy another 25% of your position here. Anywhere from 235 to 237. I don't really want you paying more than that. And so like 230 to 237. So obviously you can get a better price. That's better, but don't let that prevent you from buying some more right here. Because at this point, this thing can really take off. So if you bought more here, make sure that you're possibly get ready to sell some more at 249 or 248. Okay, get ready to actually sell some more, because again, this could be like the final rally towards the 248 level. But we're able to pick up the stock at such a good price each time. Okay, there, sell a little bit right there, at least 25% of your position, because we're able to pick it up at such a good price each time. It's like we got in at 230, we got in at 230, and so then we're able to boom, get out at 240, and then get out at 248, or get out at 248 twice. It actually doubles up our win, right? We get a bigger win. And 250 has got to break this time. If it doesn't break this time, then that's really bad news. I'm just gonna have everyone close their position, and we're probably gonna stop trading this stock. But it should break this time because there's just so many. Okay, make sure you sell at least 50% of your position here at 250, because if you look on the level 2 here, okay, yeah. So get, at this point, just get out 100% on JSPR. So you're going to be in good profit if you trade this correctly, because we got in at a good point. We sold around here. We got in at another good point. We sold around here. But now I need way more confirmation before I recommend a hold for longer, because at 250, there's somebody with just like, there's this huge bag holder who has like 1 million shares who's just selling all their shares at 250. And that's going to continue to push the price down every single time we try to take a trade on it. So if you actually follow the instructions, which I know a lot of you are able to follow instructions, then you were able to get in at a really good price at around 236. You're able to scale out your position at 250. We had a second buy-in price at 236 again, and then we scaled out again at 250. And so you should have at least 50% of your position sold at 250, meaning that when you closed your position at 235 or 234, you were still able to come out with a profit, because from 236 to 250 is 14 cents. So you get 14 cents of profit twice, whereas you get from 236 to around 234, that's 2 cents of profit or 2 cents of loss. So you're able to get 8 times as much profit as loss, which would allow you to come out green on the stock if you follow the instructions. Okay, make sure that you're following the instructions. Now we are getting a consolidation on JSPR and possible break of trend. It's near the buy-in point now. May think about getting in about 25%. I just don't like stocks that have been downtrending, even at the start of the day, because those are always risky. We don't always get the reversal, but we'll watch and we'll wait, and we'll see what the trend shows us and what the chart shows us. And if it shows us a good opportunity, then we can get in. If not, then we're just going to sit on our hands, because sitting on our hands is always better than losing money. Again, the idea here is to help you think and trade like a professional trader, someone who makes a living trading stocks. So although this may not be like what you want to do, it's what's going to make you money. And if you actually look at your bank account and you look at your trading account throughout the months or years that you've been trading, you'll see that a lot of the trades that you take may not have been profitable. And a lot of that comes from not being able to read the charts or read the information as is. So I debated getting in right here. It does look like we may have a trend reversal on JSPR. So how are you going to reverse that trend of your own profit and loss? If you answered that it's by trading professionally and reading the chart, that's 100% correct. That's what we're trying to teach you here. And that's why so long as you stay with this group, you're going to start making money consistently in the stock market, because all of this has already been figured out. It's just a matter of you being a part of the exclusive group and actually learning it. So coming down here, so I'm okay. I need to see a revisit to $2.11. I need to see a revisit there and a retest of $2.11. If we can get a retest here, and I'll set an alert for it, then that's what's going to give me enough confidence to say, okay, we are in a trend reversal. If we can't get that and the stock just starts taking off, then that's totally fine. I'm going to let it take off. I don't need to be in the trade, because the trade itself is imperfect at this point. The profit target, we're going to have to move the profit target all the way down to $2.29, which is yucky to me, because that's not as high of a profit target as we initially had. And yeah, it's probably going to hit it, but from $2.18 to $2.28, that's only 10 cents. That's not the kind of win that I was looking for on JSPR. If we get a retest of 2.11, then we can have possibly a safe entry on it. And then at that point, I'd be fine with it. But if we got in at $2.18 and then it came back down to $2.10, then we're basically risking 8 cents to make 10 cents. And that risk reward isn't good enough for me to recommend the trade to you guys, because as you know, most of the trade we take are like two times profit to reward. So you're able to make 2 times or 3 times as much as we actually risk. And if there's something in the chart that changes, we get out before that happens, so that we're still able to profit on the trade for a guaranteed win. So this is, again, a lot of traders aren't capable of trading this way, but that's the way we're able to trade. So that's the way we're going to trade. ATNF, We got a reversal around $4 in the buy-in zone. So it's going to retest 418 right now. Go ahead and buy 25% of your position at 418. And especially Brandon, you may be thinking like, oh my gosh, I just sold at 415. Why would I buy at 418 now? Because the trend, the chart has changed. So back at 415, it was in a downtrend, but as you can see, the trend has been broken. So go ahead and buy in at 418. We still have to break the volume weighted average price. We're going to close 25% of our position at $4.29. 429 is going to be the first sell target for ATNF, but potentially this can still go pretty parabolic today. So we're going to keep an eye on the chart.